Hello family, I am staying in a solo insider cabin aboard Scarlet Lady for a 4-day cruise. Let's go check it out. Starting from the front door, straight to the right, you'll find your closet. There's space above, you'll find your hangers, and then space that you could put your luggage. And right here in this corner, these buttons will be for your room steward. This will say if you want privacy. This will say if you want them to clean your room. And here are some light switches as well. Coming out of here, right next to it is more storage. So this is the shelves that you could put your clothes in. And here is your safe, and this would be your hair dryer right here. Here's a standing mirror. And now to the left, coming into the room, you'll have your bathroom. You'll have the light for your bathroom here. You'll have your thermostat, and you will have another standing mirror here. Let's go into the bathroom. Now, this doesn't seem too bad, but right away I could see, even though the counter doesn't seem too bad, the fact that the toilet is right next to it like this, it really takes away from the space you have at the counter. You have your towels, you will have your face towels there. You have your toilet paper and the mat that you have when you come out of the shower. Also, you'll find your soap. Not bad, but it can be an issue. I'll see how it is. And this is your shower. I think the shower is a nice size. The rain shower. Here, it has in here your hair wash, your hair conditioner, your body wash. And it's not a curtain but a shower door, so I think that this may be okay for me. I have to see how it is. Now this is your table, your desk. I think it's a nice sized desk for me anyway. They have water, they have a bucket for ice. Here you will find your phone. Underneath there you will find your outlets and a stool to sit on. Here's additional storage, and in here you will find your fridge right in here. So this tablet now controls more or less everything in the room. It controls your room lighting. You see how it got dim and brighter? It controls your TV. It controls your entertainment, services. Hey Sailor, tell us how we can help you. You could also send messages or maintenance. If you want water, you want ice, you want laundry pickup, if you want your cabin clean, you could also put this through here. So when you get in the room, you can play around with that tablet to see all that it can do. Here's some lights above the bed, and this is the bed itself. So it looks decent. I just need it to be comfortable. I feel like it's not going to be something where I'm going to fall off the bed, so that's why I feel like it's maybe a full-size bed. But I just need it to be comfortable, and hopefully it is comfortable. And so let me just back up a little bit so you can just kind of see the room in general, how it is when I come in. And yeah, forgot to talk about this mirror here. So several mirrors. So I mean, I don't know if it needs as many mirrors, but I know sometimes with mirrors it makes you feel like the room is bigger than it is. So maybe that's just a design thing. Oh, so look what I just found. I found that there's light switches as well as additional outlets right next to the bed. Let me show you the storage underneath. So it is a nice size storage. So what do you think about the room? As I said, I have to kind of live with it to see how everything works. It's a 4-day cruise. Sometimes when there's a 4-day cruise, I do not try to go for like huge cabins, balconies, and things of that nature, just to try to save some money. And so, but if it's really someplace I really would love to go to, like a bucket list item, I may try to splurge for something bigger. So do me a favor, family. Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. And until next time, happy travels.